Manage all of your third-party applications with Application Manager. Support for both Config Manager and Intune environments. Integrated within Recast Management Server to manage all Recast solutions from one place. Over 2,500 applications supported to meet all of your application patching needs. Simple to set up deployment processes. Add multiple applications to deployment processes for applications with similar deployment needs. Target your deployments to the user or device collections that need it. Track and manage all of your deployments from a single tab. Customize deployment processes with advanced settings. Change install parameters, content settings, supersedence, user experience, and more. Customize default deployment settings to meet your standard needs for quick and easy addition of new applications. Deployed applications available in Software Center or Company Portal. Application Manager handles deployment creation and cleaning up of old versions.